Guys, okay, I just got finished cleansing my hair. Everything went well. I just did a light cleanse. I went in with my TGIN moisture rich sulfate free shampoo here. This is very moisturizing and it smells good too. It cleansed my hair nicely without stripping. Love this one here. And I didn't see any silicones in here. Just an FYI, but it is sulfate free. And then after that, I just did like a regular conditioner and I went in with my curls Poppin pineapple collection. This one right here. Very moisturizing. It does have just a little, I think a little protein in here, more toward I guess the bottom, but yeah, nice and moisturizing. So rinse that out. I didn't apply a leave-in, but I did apply a cream while I was in the shower, and I applied my Nature's Little Secret cream. Just like a nickel size amount on each side of my head. That was it. So not too much of this because it was already nice and moisturizing. And this is what we have here. Curls look good, nice and moisturized. Oh, feel nice and soft and it smells good. And here's this side too as well. Yeah, so it feels nice. Okay, so, ooh, that do smells really, really good, real good. So what I am going to do, I think I'm just gonna go in and style my hair and let you guys watch. And I think you guys seen me do this before. I'm just going to go in, since I already have my cream in, I'm just going to go in with my favorite gel here by Aveda. And then I'm going to go in with my mousse. So yeah, so these two right here, I'm going to add. So if you want to watch, keep on watching. All right. has been applied, and this side here has already done sunk in with the products. This side here is still sinking in, I'm just gonna let it sink in for maybe about 10 minutes, and then after that, then I'll go ahead and sit under the dryer and let it dry. These are my wet results. Good morning, guys. This is day 3. My results here. Day 3. She's nice and soft, nice and moisturized, lots of definition, lots of body. So she is bouncy there. And I don't have any frizz. I do have just a little frizz back here. I think I could have added a little bit more product. So I know back in the back here, it's just a little frizzy. But other than that, I like it. Results do look nicely. Let's start off with the products that I used. I want to start off with this this mask here from the Poppin Pineapple collection. This is so moisturizing, I like this, and I just love the way it smells. It's like a nice, soft, kind of like pleasant smell or so. Doesn't smell quite like pineapple, just a little hint of it, but I like this. It's nice and moisturizing. It does have just a little protein at the like toward the bottom or so, like in the middle down in here or so. But yeah, this is a nice moisturizer. It detangles nicely. It had nice slip too as well, like this one here. I have used this too as a pre-poo, and I'm sure you guys saw one of my other videos a while ago. I did use this as a leave-in. I didn't know it was a leave-in because I didn't have my glasses on. I just like, oh, just Poppin collection. I just looked at it, moist curls and whatever, and I put it on my hair thinking it was just a, you know, a cream leave-in or so. But my hair was so moisturized when I did that, but I won't do that again. I mean, it didn't bother my hair, it didn't harm my hair, but I don't like to leave deep conditioners or so in like that. But this is very moisturizing if you're looking for just a regular conditioner, or if you want to use this as like a deep conditioner too, because I feel that it is thick enough to use as a deep conditioner to keep on to give you that extra moisture. So like this conditioner right here. So let's get into the products that I applied, my styling products here. So since I went in with that thicker cream here, since this was a thicker like conditioner and I rinsed it out, my hair felt nice and moisturizing. I felt that I did not need a leave-in, which you guys know I always apply my kinky curly in the shower, so I did not need that. I said, well, since my hair feels nice, feels good, I'm just going to go ahead in with my styling cream, and that's why I went in with my Nature's Little Secret Avocado Moisture Cream. And I only went in with just a small amount on each side, just to give my hair that nice moisture, to get my fingers through, to help detangle it and kind of form the curls a little bit too as well. This here is a great moisturizer. Love to use this. I'm sure you guys seen this on a lot of my other videos. I'm trying to use up my stash here, so I still have a nice little amount here, but yes, very moisturizing. If I need to refresh during the week or so, I will go in with a little bit of this and just scrunch it in. I have done that and it works wonders too. Left my hair nice and soft, gives me that extra moisture throughout the week. If I need it, only if I need it. And let's see,
probably like day 4, day 5 hair, I'll probably go in. I'll see how my hair is feeling first. Then I'll just go in and scrunch just a pea size in or so. So, and of course my favorite gel, it always coat my hair nicely. It's like to this gel here, it just reminds me of like, I guess, like applying like a serum or something on my hair before I go in with like my mousse or another gel. It just leaves my hair nice and shiny. It still has like that kind of like softness, but it defines my curls nicely. So that's why I like this one. And it's lightweight. I have used it as by itself or so, and it didn't leave my hair dry. It didn't leave my hair, don't you know, yeah, dry or crunchy. It's like a light to medium kind of hold. It leaves your hair fluffy. I get like a fluffy look when I use this. So that's why I like to, when I'm not going for that really fluffy look, I'll go in with another gel, or I may go in with, like I went in with my Design Essentials here. Love this one. It gives me the moisture, the definition. Still have a lot left. The moisture, the definition, the shine. It clumps my curls nicely, very nicely. You guys know I talk about this all the time, but love this combo. And I did not have any flaking or anything. That's why when it comes to that's why I wanted to apply this in the shower, because I knew it was thick, and I said, let me just apply this in the shower too to help it spread with that extra water in there. And maybe that's why I didn't get any flaking or anything, but I didn't have any flaking. This is my second time using this combo back to back, so it was perfectly fine. No flaking or anything. It depends on how much you do apply to your hair when it comes to, I guess if you end up having like flaking or so. And I felt that the amount that I use on my hair, I think it's like the perfect amount. Yeah, sometimes I can overdo it and not, but I think that was the perfect amount. But yes, love my day 3 results. She looks good. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and rock this hairstyle throughout the week, and that is it. So just wanted to pop in and show you my day 3 hair. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video, and I will see you in my next one.